Aha, and welcome back to the Sardine News. We've got Bruce again, coming at us with 8 segments of news and interesting stuff, including a feature with none other than Clinton Strandloper. And this is the Ides of March surf report. So let's get right on with it. This is the first report.
Yes, I think we have a 10 o'clock set. Rolling through. Oh yes, take note.
So we can talk.
Bay of Shepherds. How's that one? Bay of Shepherds. First time round. Could have been Vasco da Gama himself. But old Bartholomew Dias was just before him. We do have one road named after Bartholomew, sure, Dias Road. Okay, enough history of ages past.
Right on. Thanks, Bruce. Now the next clip is all about the office. I'm sure some of you know where the office is. J-Bay Surf View, the gazebo built by Jeffrey.
Hey, offshore's up. Südwester. Few people are on it, for sure. And here we are in the gazebo that Jeffrey built. Jeffrey of Jeffrey's Bay. And there is the African work of art by Mr. Grant Nieuwoud and Soul Surfer by the man from Zimbabwe. I do forget his name. Percy of Zimbabwe. Thank you very much. StupidTubes in the distance.
Right on, thanks, Bruce. Right, moving along to another secret spot. Don't know where this place is. 3 Palm Point. I don't know who's ever heard of it. Play.
Hey, 3 Palm Point showing. Ides of March. Noorsekloof Point. After 10 in the morning. Classy and classy, not so classy. Thank you very much.
Okay, and moving along to some good news.
Hey, there is good news for modern man. That movie, my 1970s movie that we put together, it has been found. It was lost, but it was found. It featured a early Gunston, the second one, that Midget Farrelly one, Johnny Palmer second. Sean came fourth, I think. I think Espo was in there. Yeah, no, it has been found. It was still with the original guy who converted it into video format. So we are going to watch the original footage at Boogie Slide and Jive soon, maybe.
Spreading the good news. Right, Bruce, I hope you get that video to us so we can put it on your surf report, eh? Right, moving along to another Ides of March session.
3 Palm Point. The Ides of March, Sunday. 1, 2, 3 Palm Point. Rocket waves. No performers.
Right, and the main feature this week is Clinton Strandloper. I can't wait to meet this guy.
And the life of the ocean, the middens, I can still see them here. They are still there. The biggest of these are in Skipskop, and it's a no-go zone. And I've been passing there regularly every year.
Hoekom is dit 'n no-go?
There was a community living there, a lot of men and women and children from all races and tribes. they lived there as well. And when they started a missile base there, those people had to be evacuated according to law.
Goede Hoop Nature Reserve has got its own missile base.
Yeah.
Praise the
And the
Lord.
president had a house there too. So yes, so by walking back along these routes, and the rivers that run between them and the differences, and they brought it together. But bro, this is like, you must know the goosebumps I had when this showed me this. I cried, me bro. The looked at me like. He's so kaput, he never ate for all those days. He lays under the tree now, you can imagine. Bro, 140 times 8 times 3 days, you have to do responsibly. They come there with sticks and stones when they lie and they crawl up to you. And they scream and they hit sticks on drums and they throw him with pea shooters and shoot him with pebbles. Of course the lion will run, and when he's away, he turns around, he checks he's not injured. Bro.
Extremely interesting gentleman, Mr. Clinton Strandloper. I can't wait to meet you. And then each week surf report from Bruce, you wouldn't have one without a spot of beer anyway. Moving into the spot of beer insert.
I used to be a legend, but it's all over.
In fucking no ways it will never be over, bro.
Okay, now,
Hall of Fame, my bro.
can you please answer me one little question? How was life before marijuana? It was strange, eh? You don't remember even.
No, for me it's a sacred path now, Brucey. It's all in the genetics, you know what I mean? I work with the strain, thousands of years old. It's a Tibetan strain called a Rosa rosea. This is the shit, honestly.
So there's no life before marijuana. It's now,
Hey, can
eh?
you go see Kurt quickly?
Okay. Your shirt looks neon, bro.
Hey, thank
Does
you.
your brain feel neon, like mine? Of course. Which part don't you get? Life is a bargain. It is cheap at any price. And in case you didn't know, I am it. He is it. She is it. We are it. They are it. And wait for it. It is it, and that is that. Which part don't you get, by the way? If you just want to log on, oh shit.
Yeah, brother, I just wanna ask.
Normal Norman? No. Lucky to know me. There we go. Lucky to know me. Which part don't you get?
Yeah, well, there's definitely some Joe Rogan stuff going on around here too. We'll have to make this over 18s only video. I'm sure I can do that somewhere on the line. Right, so this is the last segment. It's about how to say knopkerry, all that kind of stuff.
You've got the knopkerry. How do you say it? Knopkerry. Knopkerry. And this lot here?
That's why I imitate this life in Oak as a Strandloper. You know what I mean? This is the life I'm trying to emulate. And I'm trying to see, daar waar hulle loop, right? Die hulle merk in die klip gelos waar hulle getrap het. Soos in die ou kerke trap hulle stippies so af. Mense het duisende jare op dieselfde voetspore geloop. Nou, my verkorting van Strandloper is FOAM, Footprints of Ancient Man.
Right, Bruce, that was great. Thank you. And Clinton Strandloper too for helping put that together. We're going to be making a lot more YouTube stuff because I've got a carpal tunnel syndrome in this arm from using the mouse too much, and I've got a broken and typing is difficult. So yeah, stay tuned for more video. Bruce, you can start sending me more content now. Load me up again. Thanks for watching. Thanks for playing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I found the stop recording button. Okay, ciao. Thank you.